Vinod Chopra said, मैं इस पे पैसे कैसे लगाऊं? I have too many Bengalis to thank in one lifetime. I think in some conversation, Vinod Chopra told him, why aren't you making a Bengali classic, something that comes from here for you? And he said, Purita. And that's how it started. And so Dada kept telling me that I'm going to be Lolita. But then, विनोद चोपड़ा सर मैं इस पे पैसे कैसे लगाऊं? ये चेंबूर की लड़की, इतने सारे पैसे मैं इस पे कैसे लगाऊं? So I went through a whole lot of auditions, video tests, not 40 and all, those are rubbish figures because, online, a lot of people have said 17 makeup tests, 40, that's not true at all. But we did do a lot of auditioning for that, and finally that's how I bagged the film. But again, Dada had faith in me at a time when I didn't have faith in myself, so I have too many Bengalis to thank in one lifetime.
ফলো করুন এই সময় অনলাইন।